Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. This is Mustafa Saadi, a technical consultant, and I have more than 10 years of experience in developing mobile applications and web applications and mobile games. Today we will answer an important question, which is why we should have unique keys for React elements. To answer these questions, we need to know that in React, using unique keys for elements within lists, such as arrays rendered using map function, is crucial for performance optimization and maintaining the correct state of components. And here is why using unique keys is important. The first reason is React uses a process called reconciliation to update the DOM efficiently. When the state of your application changes, when you update a list of elements, React needs a way to determine which elements were added or removed or just modified. Using unique keys helps React and identify which elements have changed and optimize the rendering process. The second reason is when React renders a list of elements, it tries to minimize the number of changes to the DOM by updating only the elements that have changed. Without unique keys, React might end up re-rendering more elements than necessary, leading to poorer performance. And this we don't want to do this. The third reason is components in React can maintain their state. When elements are reordered or removed or added without unique keys, React can by mistake associate the wrong state with an element, leading unexpected behavior or bugs. Another reason is using unique keys helps React understand the structure of your components better. This can help or enable more accurate updates and prevent the unwanted re-rendering and improving the overall performance of the application. And keys help React maintain a stable identity of each element across renders. Without keys, React might treat elements as if they were different on each render, causing unnecessary re-renders and negatively impacting performance. When debugging your application, having unique keys can make it easier to trace the source of the issues or the bugs related to rendering and component state. To use unique keys efficiently, use stable and unique identifier for each element. If your data doesn't have a unique key, you might need to generate one or use an index as last resort. You can use the UUID generator, or you can use mass.random, which is supported by or in JavaScript, and avoid using index as a key if the order of elements can change, as it might lead to incorrect rendering and performance issues. This is too clear. Make sure keys remain consistent across renders, especially if elements are being reordered. And I will share an example of code in comments or in the video to show you how to use the keys within React and React application or any component in React to avoid using replicated or duplicated keys, which will make more issues in your application. I hope that I gave you the knowledge of why we should have unique keys for React elements. Till I see you again, please stay safe and goodbye.